everyone. We are at the Kent Narrows. Launched the kayak, trying to get some topwater action going. Oh, there's the first hit. First strike. Oh, missed it again. Oh. Keep missing. Oh, there we go. Nope. Dang. Chasing it. Man, I got those couple strikes. Oh, fell off again. Sheesh. Oh, so close. Oh, come on, come again. Come on, quit missing. There we go. Fish on. Feels pretty small. Dragging them in. Bad. Oh. Come on. Relax, 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 relax. I want to get you off. Not trying to get trouble hooking my finger, buddy. This guy looks like he's gonna be 17. Of course, I forgot my bump board today. I'm gonna use my trusty paddle here. I don't know if you guys can see this. At 0:17 on the dot. Called it. Thanks for the fight, buddy. See ya. Alright, I'm throwing today. So, Smack It Junior, made by Stillwater Lures. It's the black color. Legendary fisherman named Richard Souter put me onto these a while ago, and I've been hooked ever since. Catches anything from bass, striper, snakehead, you get it all. Come back, come back, come back. There it is. Oh, thought it was under there. Oh, right at the boat. Come on, come back. Man, there's some crazy action out here. Ah. Just missing it. Over and over again. Oh, there we go. No! I'm muffing it today. Missed like 17 fish. Ooh. These smaller fish keep missing it. Need a big boy to come just swallow it. Come on. You're my keeper. Oh! Oh my God, again. Gotta sharpen these hooks ASAP. Another little schoolie on jerkbait. Alright, back out here, day 2. Time to get my revenge from yesterday. First strike. Come on. There we go. First fish today. Oh. Another little schoolie. God dang. Oh. Little schoolie rockfish on top water. See you later, buddy. To the jetty. And oh, here we go. Fish on or snag. Oh, that's a fish. That's a decent fish. This might not be a rockfish. Oh, God dang it. God. It's a Cownose, man. Oh, I don't know. I usually can't bring them in this fast. This thing is just, this thing's giving up, I guess. Man. It's about as big as the last one. Oh. Ooh. Yeah, this is like a $15 jerkbait, so I gotta get this thing back. I didn't think it was a rock, dude. If it was a rock, it'd have been like a 40-inch rock. Man, I hate you. I hate you so much. I hate you. Not even gonna fit in the net. Dude, I gotta keep this one. I gotta eat him. Like, I think that's what they're asking me to do. Oh, nice. Oh, pick him up, man. Dude, this thing stinks. Like a fish. I don't know. A not so pleasant fish. All right, you guys asked for it. Now I'm gonna do it. Gonna eat this stupid thing, I guess. It smells like shit. All right, back at the house with this Cownose Ray. I've never cleaned or eaten one of these things before. This is why they call them Cownose. These things are creepy looking. Looks like it's smiling underneath though. There we go. This one looks pretty clean. Just gonna soak this in some water, let some of this blood hopefully get out of there. Got our Cownose all cut up to little fingers. Before I batter, just gonna hit it with some salt and lime. To white flour that's been salted and peppered. To egg wash. Breadcrumbs. One. Ready? Nice and hot. Alright, I cooked about 6 minutes. Guacamole or cooked Cownose Ray. This is what it looks like cooked. Pretty gray. Fresh cilantro. A little squeeze of lime. Cownose Ray taco. Never tasted any kind of ray before. Just take our first bite, see how it tastes. Wow, it's actually really surprisingly good. I had really low expectations for this fish. It smelled really bad, and the fillets did not look very appetizing, but this is actually really good. I can't believe how good this is. Looks so good. So flaky, very tender, not chewy at all. This is so good.